Privet.
Mabuhay.
This is not our typical video.
Yes, we just want to be honest with you guys. So, yesterday I got my tickets and I have a flight after a few hours. And because of this pandemic, all the borders are closed and we don't know when we will meet again, and no, the thing is, I don't believe to these relationships in the long distance, and now we are in that moment when we need to split. I'm going home. I'm happy that I will see my family, but around here to my family down.
It's a bit hard for us lately. This few weeks it was very hard. We have to make decisions, and now everything again is uncertain. All the plans, we don't know what's going to happen. It's just about time. But we were talking, and I was telling Miriam that I will do my best to see her very soon. Of course, it's just not give up. These things happen, but let it be an opportunity for us to grow and to make our relationship stronger. Anyway, yeah, we will for the time being we will be in a distant relationship, but of course we will give you updates, guys.
You know, I will expect your support, guys, because
I know you will cry.
no, because I don't like people who is crying to the camera and everything, but I want to share with you guys. I want to share with all our important things. I want you to know that our life, it's not all the time funny and like beautiful. Now it's a hard time. It's a really tough time for us.
But just like everyone, we just have to be strong, and we just have to make a way for things to be possible. Don't give up. So, don't look at me like that. Just be strong.
Why doesn't bring bigger towel?
Okay, so let's just update them.
Yeah. After 1 hour, I'm leaving our accommodation. It's my last 1 hour in Kuwait.
It just happened very quick.
Yeah, we just got yesterday these tickets and everything.
That's why she's rushing, and I don't know, it's just now it's starting to sink in. Of course, you know, guys, how much I love Miriam and how much happy I am, but we need to face this, like two of us, and support of our family, friends, and everyone here. I know we will be fine, and the guidance of God. Be strong. Say goodbye na.
Thank you so much.
Thank you guys for all your support. Paalam po. Say paka.
You should to say paka.
Paka.
Paalam po.
Ay,